abawaziri abo babete bagochorwa no mugavana we county ya Kisii Simba Arati litkolia lero baba gotianiwa bene elio gochaka obokoreri ase abananchi okwana chinga kicho muyego y'umugavana we county ya Kisii Simba Arati nigo abakerangambya mono aso kwenyorera amabaga na kubaganya gocheko bwaterana irigo ikirani obokoreri burubu yago cyasomo menyi we county ya Kisii ayo munayanda mange nigo twariganire no muri keito Stephen Ndemo
Kianda gati yaba waziri komi bachoretu na Simba Arati nigorere kemambi baitugune bunge ye county ya Kisii nechinsa cha marogoba gutiani gwoyo maso yomo gochaka obokoreri ase chiwizara batenenerete.
I, Dr. Alfred Nyamira, do solemnly swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people.
That diligently discharge any duties and perform any function in the state office,
in the office of the Executive Committee, Member of Lands, Fiscal Planning, Housing and Urban Development.
So help me God.
Nonye nabo elietario musubati Beatrice monginore ngatene robole mindietirine kamati ye bunge ye county ya Kisii asomo gavana Simba Arati asikama chibu ye bunge na kuruira yokwana nelietalinde kolivali bagali ya Beatrice.
Sisi mmoja ambaye vitu zake zikuenda mzuri. The honorable members waliuliza kuwa fair upatie huyo sisi kule alitoka na huyu mwanamke.
Assembly ya Sancheni ndugu zangu na dada zangu kwa kazi nzuri mlioifanya. Mmefanya kwa sababu hata kudrop mtu wangu mmoja sijasikia mbaya. Nimesema kwamba it's in your wisdom. You have done it and I have accepted. Kwa hivyo nitachukua hiyo na roho moja tu na tutafanya kazi pamoja.
Aba MCA nigo bagani obokoreri oboikira nukorwa asaba waziri batianigwa kwene kingo ikeli bale chira baruete asaba menyi bechu ward ye 45 bakora.
For us as the leaders of Kisii County, in support with the governor, we are going to give you the necessary support you need in terms of legislation and in terms of oversight to make sure that you deliver the mandate that you have been given.
Simba Arati nago kerogo cyane gukwa bakonyi baye ase chiwizara ase kulinda abatebya buna obokoreri bwabo na burarigeri gumono ase chinsemo bakora.
This team comprising talented, diverse and experienced leaders. I wish to congratulate you all. Roads, the gentleman who has been given roads, I know that's where the symphony point of the county money. Agriculture. Yeah? That's another route. We will seal those routes.
Chinga chiecho Arati na oro kebrengeri byoko babekange abakorari barenga serikali ya James Ongwae abo bamoikiranga matukabwa ngoiga buna Patrick Lumumba.
This gentleman, despite the fact that he worked in the past regime, is a hard worker. I was considering to have him in my system. He is a hard worker, that's for sure. He's a good team. My brother, you'll be with me around.
Magega yaba waziri be county gotianigwa ekikera bwatino kolingoli gukwa aba chief officer imeche wizara au chie county ya Kisii.
Kwa hayo mengi nashukuru na maulana ni mengi ya kuku ni mayai. Asanteni.
Ko reporter ya Ndizi TV kurwa segeti kia Gusii Stadium kegotoka sebunge ya Nyaribali chache county ya Kisii. Elietariane Ndemo Steven.